Okay, Molly, thank you so much for sharing your story with us. Tell me exactly what you had done and why you decided to have it.
So this last final surgery that I've got was remove my implants and remove a capsule, like the capsulectomy.
Capsulectomy? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and a lift. Yeah.
Okay. And how come you wanted to remove your implants? And how long did you have them?
I had my implants for 12 years.
Oh, wow.
It's crazy. I love them.
You look too young to have them in for 12 years.
I was too young. That's the thing. You know, you grow up and...
Your priorities change.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
But so yeah, I had them for 12 years. Within that time, I think I had 3 replacements. So this was my 4th.
Wow.
Yeah. Because I kept getting capsular contracture in one side. And I just couldn't let the implants go.
Okay.
Couldn't let them go.
And how are you feeling about the size now?
I feel sexier than ever.
Love that.
I feel how I wanted to feel, you know, like I feel the confidence that I wanted the implants to give me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And does the size, do you find like it's easier to find clothing that fits?
Mm-hmm.
And it's kind of nice knowing you don't ever have to worry about having another procedure again, right?
Absolutely.
One and done, hopefully.
Yeah.
Well, I really appreciate you sharing your experience and this journey, sharing this with us. And I'm so glad that you chose Dr. Brown to be your doctor.
Amazing. She's done every single one of my surgeries, and they're perfect. Every single time. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, Molly.